If you own either the Galaxy A34 or the Galaxy A73, then you'll be happy to hear the big OneUI 6.1 update is finally being released to your device. A34 owners who currently live in South Korea have been receiving these update notifications, and we can expect the update to roll out to other countries around the world in the coming days. Now, it can take a few weeks for Samsung to complete a rollout like this around the world. So if you own the Galaxy A34, then just know that update notification could be coming any day now. Not only that, but those with the Galaxy A73 can also look forward to the OneUI 6.1 firmware update as well. This new update was first spotted over in Malaysia and looks to be around 2.6 gigabytes in size. That's actually much larger than the A34 update that was just mentioned, which is kind of interesting. And just like before, unless you live in the country where the initial rollout began, then it can take a bit of time before the update makes its way to you. It shouldn't take too long though, but Samsung does need to analyze the log files from those who first received the update just to make sure there aren't any critical bugs that were introduced. Now, I do have a bit of bad news though. Galaxy A34 and Galaxy A73 owners are not going to be receiving the highly marketed Galaxy AI features with this update. Now, we already knew Samsung was going to be restricting the release of Galaxy AI to specific devices, and that seems to have mostly been their premium flagship smartphones. Still, there are a lot of great features coming with the OneUI 6.1 update, and I highly recommend you install the firmware when you see that over-the-air update notification.